In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Coinbase to Bitsgap. So the first thing you have to do here inside Bitsgap, you want to exit demo mode in case you are in one right now. So go ahead and click at the very top right on your profile icon, and then here you can see demo and then this toggle button. Just click on it and it's going to get disabled like that, and then you'll see it says connect at least one exchange up top. So just click on this, and then here it's going to say connect new exchange. Of course, first we must find Coinbase, so just click on the drop down menu, and then you want to scroll down a bit, and here it's going to say Coinbase. So click on Coinbase, and then we're going to need two things. The first one is API key, and the second one is secret key. So let's go step by step how to actually get this. I have some screenshots pulled over here, which will help you understand how to do it. Now, the first thing you have to do, you have to log into your Coinbase account or create a new one. So as you can see, you want to go to their website, and then here you can sign in or create an account. Both will work. If you have an account, just sign in, and then when you do that, you'll be able to basically see your platform over here, and then on the left hand side here it's going to say API, and just click on this API button over here. Now, in case it may be a bit different, and in case Coinbase may have updated in these past months, you can just Google how to get API in Coinbase, and you'll be able to do that just as well. And then when you are in there, you should be able to see the create API key button over here. When you click on create API key, it's going to look like this, something like that. You'll have to basically enter in your API key nickname over here, and then the portfolio, you'll be able to select one. You can just do default, and then make sure you check this trade here, and then you can just go ahead and confirm it. Okay, so let me actually go through this once again. Here, as you can see, it's going to say default, and then trade. You have to check mark this as well, and then the IP whitelist should be as it is over here, and then you can just click on create and download, and then complete 2FA, and then you will have to basically go through the 2FA over here, and that's all you have to do at this part. Now, once you've done that, you will get your API keys. The first one is API key name, and then the second one is the API key. You should copy the first one first, so the API key, and then you want to go ahead and paste it in here, and then you want to copy the secret or private key as well, and then paste it in here as well. Now make sure you do save these, and make sure nobody else can see them, okay, because this is a secret. Now after that, click on I've saved my keys, and then you can click on connect over here. This should get connected, and you then should see this button or kind of this pop-up appear over here, which will say that you've successfully connected Coinbase to your Bitsgap account. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.